34 watts. Oh boy, it's a 34 watt F40T12. What kind of flicker fest are we in for today? This fixture has a rapid start ballast in it. Watch the way this thing starts up. That's great. Just fantastic. That is like the best startup ever on rapid start. Make it do that filling in thing again. Gotta give it a sec. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's just great. These things absolutely suck. But that is such a cool startup. Look at that. Here, let me go ahead and load the exposure here so you can see that better. Look at how it flickers like crazy like that. That's amazing. You'll never get a startup like this from a 40-watt lamp. It has to be a 34-watt lamp. Let's do that one more time. Focus on it, load the exposure. Wow, really flickery that time. Oh, that was the 34-watt F40T12 starting up.